Hey there, Facebook users. If you're looking to manage your privacy and check out your restricted list on the Facebook app in 2025, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through this step by step, so you can do it quickly and easily. Whether you're trying to keep tabs on who you've limited from seeing your posts or just curious about your settings, this guide will have you sorted in no time. First off, make sure you're logged into the Facebook app on your smartphone. It's the one with the blue icon, you know the drill. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the top or bottom of the screen, depending on your device. This is where all your personal info and settings live. Now, let's get to the good stuff. From your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines or the menu icon, usually found in the top right corner. This opens up a bunch of options. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. It's often under a Privacy or Account section. Tap on that, and then select Settings to dive deeper. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. It's super important for controlling who sees what on your feed. Once you're there, find and tap on Blocking or Restrict. Facebook might have tweaked the names a bit by 2025, but it should be straightforward. Now, under that, you'll see Restricted List. Tap on it, and voila! You'll see a list of people you've restricted. You can view their names, and if you want, even remove them from the list right from here. A quick tip. Restricting someone means they can only see your public posts, so it's a great way to maintain your privacy without unfriending them. But remember, they won't get a notification about it. If you run into any issues, make sure your app is updated to the latest version for 2025. Things change fast. And that's it, folks. You've now mastered viewing your restricted list on Facebook. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe online, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.